Oh, it's recording? Okay, hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to be unboxing the HIMO L2 Electric Scooter. For those who are unfamiliar with the HIMO brand, it is one of Xiaomi's eco companies and mainly focus on electric bikes. I personally have reviewed some of the bikes before, like the HIMO Z20B, HIMO Z20. I just love it. It's great. And HIMO L2 Electric Scooter is their first electric scooter. Yeah, they started with L2. You may wonder with L1. Who knows? And who cares? Let's get started, shall we? Before we open the box, let's check out the packaging. On this side, not sure if you can see clear, we have some information. We have the dimension, the packing dimension, 40 dimension, gross weight, and general range is 35 kilometers. And the max speed is 25 kilometers per hour, and the net weight is 18.8 kilograms. What's more importantly is here we have the HIMO L2 Max. It's certified by SGS, but that's professional lab. That means you will get a safer and comfortable riding quality. Okay, open the box. We found like a manual, a really thick manual. If you are new to electric scooter, I would suggest you to read the manual thoroughly. What is this? This looks like a dildo. Okay, we have some screws and Allen key. Alright, we have another box. That's for the charging and its cable. Oh man! Get rid of the bags. Basically, that's what all comes with the box. Okay, let's just assemble it. Alright, we just need to put the handlebar into the stem. Okay, that's it. That's where we can see some screw holes here. We need to screw the screws. Okay, make sure it's tight and steady. About the light, that's here. All right. Okay, that's it. Here you go. And to fold or unfold it, it's very easy. When it's unfolded, as you can see here, you just put this buckle here and put down. At the same time, you can see there's buckle here. Just put up and put down. And here also we see there is a latch here and there's a buckle here. So you just buckle it and that's it. And it's really not that heavy, so you can take it anywhere you want. Even do some push-ups, exercises. So that's maybe another way to use this scooter when you cannot use it outside, considering the COVID-19. And to unfold, it's easy. And you put this latch, and that's it. You long press the power key to turn it on. As we can see, the LCD shows you the current speed, the battery information, and also the speed mode. And you double press the power key, you switch between different modes. You can see there is a color indicator in the S mode to indicate different speed. The white, I guess, is 15 kilometers per hour. And the yellow is, I guess, is 20 kilometers per hour. And the red should be the 25 kilometers per hour. Should be, because I haven't read the manual. And that's it. And here is the front light. What else? And this is throttle control. And this double brake. This is the bell. Yeah, that's the sound. Pretty loud. Alright, so let's take another look at the design of the L2 electric scooters. We obviously have the 10-inch air tire here, and we also have the disc brake here, the lights, the traffic lights here, the deck. Alright, so my first impression of the L2 electric scooter is it is a simple, fun, and well-made electric scooter. There are several things I really like about this scooter. First is it's easy to assemble from unboxing to fully assemble. Maybe just need 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes even if you're new to it. And second is the folding mechanism. Believe me, there are some electric scooters have really tricky folding mechanism there. But this one is very simple. You don't need to go through the manual, and it's easy to fold and unfold. And third is the design. It is a decent one and well made. And the only thing maybe I don't like is the deck. The deck is just made of, I think it's just rubber or something. Feels a little bit cheap, but that's maybe the only downside. What I really like is this rim, so you can lock somewhere when you outside. Alright, that's it. For more of the ride quality, I will update very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.